This video is about Imdex Law 2. When dividing powers of a base, the base stays the same, subtract the indices. There are a number of ways of writing this. The first way is to write a to the m divided by a to the n, and so that will be a to the m minus n. The second way is to write it as a fraction, because fractions and division are the same thing. So a to the m over a to the n is a to the m minus n. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. The first one is x to the power of 5 divided by x cubed. And let's look at this in the expanded form. So x to the power of 5 is x times x times x times x times x. And x cubed is x times x times x. And x over x is equal to 1. We can see that when we divide an x by an x, that each of those x's will cancel out. And so an x on the top and an x on the bottom can cancel out, an x on the top and an x on the bottom, an x on the top and an x on the bottom. And so we're left with two x's on the top, and so that is x times x, or x squared. The other way to think about this is x to the power of 5 over x cubed is also a division, and when we divide we subtract, and so x to the power of 5 minus 3 is x squared. A to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of 5 is a to the 7 minus 5, which is a squared. You don't need to write that middle step in. So you could go straight from a to the 7 over a to the 5 is equal to a squared by doing the 7 minus 5 in your head. Let's look at some further examples. B to the power of 9 divided by b to the power of 4, and x to the power of 6 divided by x cubed. So have a look at those yourself and come back. So b to the power of 9 divided by b to the power of 4 is b to the power of 5, and x to the power of 6 divided by x cubed is x cubed, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Some examples that include coefficients. So 20x to the power of 6 over 5x to the power of 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. X to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 4 is x to the 6 minus 4, which is x to the power of 2. 32 a to the power of 5 over 4 a to the power of 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 8 to the power of 5 divided by 8 to the power of 4 is 8 to the power of 5 minus 4, which is 8 to the power of 1. And we don't write a 1 as a power, so that will be just 8a. So the trick is to divide the numbers and subtract the powers or the indices. When the denominator is larger in the question, it will also be larger in the answer. So if I have 5x to the power of 4 over 15x squared, well, 5 over 15 is 1/3, and so x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 2. So if we think about it, 5 over 15 is the same as 1 over 3. And so my 3 is going to end up on the bottom. So in general, we would divide the numerator and the denominator by a common factor. Here's another example where we're dividing by a common factor. So 6x to the power of 5 over 4x squared. We're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And so dividing the 6 by 2, we get 3. And dividing the 4 by 2, we get 2. And then working on our x's, x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 3.